mastering the word again for IELTS success. Have you ever found yourself struggling to express repetition or continuation in English? Today, we're going to explore a simple yet powerful word that can help you do just that. Again. This common word is essential for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 5.5 and above. Word type, again, is primarily used as an adverb in English. Meaning, again, means one more time, once more, or anew. It's used to indicate the repetition or resumption of an action or state. Word history, the word again comes from Old English. It's derived from the phrase meaning on and gegen meaning against or towards. Over time, it evolved into the word we use today. Antonyms. Some antonyms for again include never, permanently, and finally. Synonyms. Synonyms for again include once more, anew, afresh, and repeatedly. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use again in sentences. Could you please repeat that again? I didn't hear you the first time. After a long break, Sarah started playing the piano again. We need to discuss this topic again in our next meeting. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using again unnecessarily with words that already imply repetition. For example, saying repeat again is redundant because repeat already means to do something again. Instead, you should simply say repeat or say again. To wrap up again is a versatile and frequently used word in English. It helps express repetition and continuation, making it valuable for IELTS learners. Remember to practice using it in your speaking and writing tasks. With regular use, you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English vocabulary, helping you on your way to achieving that desired band score.